Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, power telescoping steering column, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.